So we're going to be making fruit pizza, and we have with us today a new chef in training, Mackenzie. So Mackenzie, have you ever had pizza for breakfast? Nope. Okay, well today we are going to be making a healthy version of pizza for breakfast. We are going to be making a fruit pizza. So right now on our plate what we have is a flatbread, and the first step that we are going to be doing is we're going to be adding our yogurt. So would you like vanilla yogurt or strawberry yogurt?
I like vanilla because it's my favorite ice cream.
Perfect. So, of course, when you're making this at home, you can choose your own flavor of yogurt. But we, like Mackenzie said, we are going to be doing vanilla. So I'm going to pour this out, and we're going to spread this on top of the flatbread. And this is sort of going to be like our pizza sauce. So Mackenzie, I think what I'm going to have you do is I'm going to have you help me spread this across. Can you help me do that?
Pizza sauce is red.
Yes. And then we need to choose our toppings. So, of course, when you're making this at home, you can choose your own toppings. But we have 4 different toppings with us today. And why is 4 an important number? Is that how old you are? Yes! So, one of our toppings we're going to start with is our fruit. So since you are in the kitchen with me, the adult, I will help you cut up our strawberries here. But when you are in the kitchen at home, you want to make sure if you're doing any cutting that you are doing this with an adult. So what is your favorite fruit, Mackenzie?
It's bananas.
Bananas. Well, it's a good thing we have bananas with us here. Nice. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut these in half for us. So let me borrow that. Thank you. So that they're easier to put on top of our pizza. Do you want to start putting the strawberries on top of the pizza here for me? We'll put these on, yeah. Nice job. You want to make sure we cover the whole flatbread.
Can I do the last one?
Yes, perfect. Put one right there. Nice job. Okay. So the next thing we want to do is we want to cut up your favorite fruit, banana, right? Okay, let's open one of these up for us. And what we'll do is we'll cut these into little slices, and we can add this to the top of our pizza. All right, you want to help me cut these slices just like this? Good job. Nice job. One more. There we go. All right, let's start putting them on top here. You want to put them on top of our pizza?
Putting fruit on stuff is what I like to do.
Yes, well, perfect. This is the perfect recipe for you then.
I was holding the knife the whole time putting these on.
You did a really good job. Now we have 2 more toppings. So we're gonna add a few blueberries, and then we're gonna top it off with some granola. So why don't we use one of our tablespoon scoopers here, and we can scoop some of the blueberries and we can put them across here on top of our flatbread. You wanna help me with that?
I don't really like these because they have guts in them.
Yes, but you know what? Sometimes there are people who do like blueberries, and that's why when you are making this at home, you can choose which fruit that you want to add. Nice. Do you think we've got it covered enough?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Just the one more scoop. Just one more scoop.
Perfect. So I know you said you might not like granola, but on this recipe what we're going to do is we're going to add some granola on top for just a little extra crunch. So let's get our tablespoon scooper back, and we're going to scoop the granola, and we're going to spread it on top of our pizza. Nice job.
Just like you do with yogurt.
Yes. How do you think that looks?
Good.
Good?
This last dupe.
Okay, so now let's cut our pizza that we made, and we'll put it on a plate to serve. This is a really healthy alternative to what we would think of as normal pizza, and you can have this as a snack with friends, or you can make this for breakfast. Another option when making a healthy version of pizza for breakfast is to do a savory option. So instead of doing a sugary yogurt, like a vanilla yogurt, you could do a plain Greek yogurt or cream cheese, and you could add vegetables to the topping like cucumbers or even some smoked salmon and some olives. If you have any allergies, you could switch out which type of bread you want to use. So you could switch to naan bread, pita bread, or gluten-free bread of your choice.